Realme launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo 90, with quite cool-looking design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 90 features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Max chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. In terms of optics, the Realme Narzo 90 sports a dual camera setup under squarish module at the top left corner that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 60 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, based on Realme UI 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.36 by 75.19 by 7.79 millimeters, and it weighs around 181 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 95G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 18,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 24th, in Victory Gold and Carbon Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 95G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.